Hello, so welcome to the 8th video of the series. So in this video we will see why the export option for the custom post type does not show in the WP tools export section. So here you can see I am in the export section and I cannot see the custom post type option, that is the portfolio item in this case. So we have created the portfolio custom post type, but it's not showing in the WP export. So to fix this, we will have to go to the custom post type plugin that we are using, and here we will have to go to edit post types. Or if you are having multiple post types, then you will go to view post types and you will have to go select the post type that you want to edit, that you want to export actually. So to enable the export option, you will have to scroll down, and here you will see this option can export. So it is set to false, so we will have to set it to true and we will save the post. We have enabled that, but still you will face some issue if you're trying to export the images as well with the posts or the custom post types. Then you will have to watch my last video as well. So that was this one. So it's the 7th video of the series, so you will have to watch that video as well if you want to import the images, because the images will not be exported while exporting any contents from WordPress. So that will be issue on your side. So you will have to watch that last video if you want to import the featured images or any advanced custom field images. And do let me know if you want any other video in this series as well. So from my end, I think it's the end of the series, but you can let me know in the comment section if you want another video in this series. So thank you for watching this video, and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.